Hello from the Quails kingdom. I'm just about to distribute some of the mulch we have recently done. If you have seen my recent short video, we have done a quite good amount of mulch from the seedlings around us, from the eucalyptus, from the gum trees and some other shrubs, and now distributing some of it here in the Quails area, as they pretty much have eaten all the grasses except a few bunches here. But apart from this, everything has been eaten empty. So we have a bare soil, plus the fruit trees, of course. They have not been eaten. But yeah, lots of bare soil, and the recent rains we had, it turned into a really muddy situation. Lots of mud, lots of yeah, it wasn't really nice to walk here, and the quails weren't happy about it, as you may imagine. So now, having the mulch, I'm adding it here on top, and the girls and the boys seem to like it. So I will keep working, and then when I'm finished I will see how they do. But already you can see they are making themselves comfortable in here. Seem to like it. Okay, I keep going, and I will see you in a few minutes. 5 wheelbarrows later, and I'm about half finished. So still some work to do. See you soon. I hope this will be the last pile. You know what? Sometimes I ask myself, why do I have such a silly ideas? Oh, and look at them. Oh, seem happy, don't they? 5 hours later. No, just joking, not 5 hours, but it took quite some time actually. So I don't need any gym for today. And now let's have a look what they think. There is Sepp working in the background with his tractor, so excuse the noise. Okay guys, I am done, literally. But I think it was worth it. Look at them, how they like it. Making themselves comfortable. Let's have a walk through and see how they do with their new bedding. I covered the entire area with the mulch, with the wood chips. And it feels really good in here now. It is actually quite relaxing to just sit here and enjoy the quails, just looking at them, what they do. Really nice. By the way, I'm selling fertile eggs from these guys here. If you would like to have your own quails, so if you like it, just check my website and give it a go. Look at this guy here. They're playing, flying around, digging. Let's have a look in here. So now I let them enjoy, and I get to enjoy my evening now as well. Hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget, as usually, like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you get notified when I upload the next video. And I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.